Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to do vocal runs for singing. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. If you want to do vocal runs to warm up your voice or vocal riffs, this is the video for you. They're actually really easy to do. Now what I want you to do is imagine a set of stairs. So imagine some steps, okay? And what you're gonna do is you're gonna take one step up, then one step down. Then 2 steps up and 2 steps down. Then 3 steps up and 3 steps down. And what that looks like is basically you're gonna be singing one note, okay? And then stopping. And then you're gonna be singing note number 1, note number 2, then back to note number 1 and stopping, okay? Then 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, break, okay? And you can start on any note and you can use any sound, but I'm just gonna start on basically like a E, okay? So this is a simple vocal run that you can try. E, and then we're gonna do 2 notes. So 1, 2, so like note 1, note 2, then back to note 1 and stop. E, okay? Now we're gonna go higher. Even higher. That's basically it. Now the cool thing about vocal runs is that if you have a keyboard or a piano or a tuner, you can choose specific notes. You can also skip notes and create arpeggios. So it can be something like right? And you can start lower. And you can even go like higher and then go below the first note. So something like this. Okay? And the greatest thing about it is that you can use any sound. So you can do like do, 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 re, 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 me. I just got over a sickness, so that's why I can't hit those high notes if my life depended on it right now. But and I have a low voice to begin with, but usually I can at least hit them, but not right now. But that's basically it. In terms of vocal runs and vocal riffs, they're easy to do. That's how to do them. Do I have the best singing voice? No. But did I explain it to you properly and well? I think so. So, you know, don't judge me by my voice, judge me by my explanations, because I'm not claiming to be a great singer. I'm just claiming to explain it really well. And that's essentially it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.